Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a recipient or receiver on your Remitly account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Remitly application on your device and then use your email address and your password to log into your account. Once you have been logged in and taken into the home page, in order to delete any recipient, click on the Recipients option at the bottom section. You will now see all of your recipients that you have within your account. In order to delete a recipient, go ahead and tap on the recipient that you wish to delete, and you will see the edit option at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will be allowed to edit the information for this recipient. From this page, scroll all the way down and you will see the delete option. Tap on delete and you will be asked if you are sure that you want to delete this contact or recipient. Click on the delete button once again to confirm, and now this recipient will be deleted from your Remitly account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete any recipient from your Remitly account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.